Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Pepe update today, and my technical target for Pepe is already nearly met. We are moving up to 6423, and it has been amazing. Okay, everything that I said regarding Pepe in the last video has played out to its most perfection. It's only that we still need to see a little bit more push up to 6758, and if things get even better, then we're looking for 7350 in the future. So some few more days to close the private. Some people actually have taken interest, and you guys have been messaging me. So all you do is come down, scroll on the description of the video, click on the Discord link. It takes 1 second to click that link, and some few more seconds to click on announcement on the Discord and click my name and message me if you want to be a part of it. So I'm going to actually try to make the details of why the private is a good place to be, of course, and whatnot. So this month so far, we have actually been 70% up, even though the market was a little bit crappy back of some few days ago. If you remember, the prices were going down, but we were never affected with any of this downtrend at all. Now, the thing is that we have made some movement to the backside. So I do see a little bit of a pattern, if I may talk about this. So you can actually agree that there's a little bit of this rounded bottom right here that you've already broken above, and you have also successfully retested right there. So I can say, first of all, that Pepe should not come down to 5541. If you do come down here, that can actually be a bit negative, because you've already broken up, you've already retested, you're making 3 white soldiers as well. So looks good. Looks really good to actually come up to 6737. Another thing is that if this rounded bottom does play out, we may see a price push from there to there. And look at this. I am expecting, if we cross this little bit of resistance at 6737, okay? If you cross, right? The word is if you cross 6737, then that rounded bottom technical target is up to 7400. So let's see. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.